What percentage do you think of Genesis 1 through 11 is history and what percentage is myth?
I don't think that it's going to be within our ability to separate the two in that sort of clean way, Mike. I think that we have to simply recognize that these are mytho-historical accounts and then look for the central theological truth that these accounts are intending to teach. Just to give one illustration, chapter one, I don't think is intending to teach us that God made the world in six consecutive 24-hour days. But what it is intending to teach us is that God is the transcendent creator of the universe, distinct from all of the things that have been made, and the sun and the stars and the animals and so forth are not gods, not supernatural things to be worshiped. They're just natural things that God has made. And I think that's a central theological truth that is taught by that opening chapter.